Just bought Maybelline Express Brow. This is what it looks like when it comes to you. So you have one side that is the brush, and then the other side is a very thin point to it. I got the black brown color. Let me show you what that looks like on my hand. And I already did this brow, so I'm going to show you how to use it on this brow here. So what I like about it is this is such a thin point that when you use it, and I have my mirror here, it's like really easy to do and mimic eyebrows. So you can do tiny little strokes that look just like your natural eyebrows. So I always like that because I don't want it to look unnatural. And the color match is really good. So that black brown really works for me with my dark eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and blend using the little brush here. So we just blend it, kind of brush your brows into place, and good to go. So I like that it's ultra thin. I think the color is good. I like that it comes out in tiny little brush strokes, and I think you're gonna like it too.